OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only person in this space with a track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience. So I've been documenting what's working, what's not for me. Open, I mean, I did see a 1% increase in price after a crazy pump that I sort of called out here on the lower time frame. Like, I was not aiming for the whole thing, I was just aiming for recent highs. But that turned out to be great. And especially how OPN is looking like, I must see breaks above like a 251 in order for me to buy. So 2.51 for me to consider it, honestly. And if I don't see any sort of a double break or anything like that even close, then there's just no way that I'll look to buy, like, genuinely speaking. So that's how OPN is looking like. It's obviously not financial advice, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.